Let's create a thread. See, we have a one circular solid body, and here we have one hole, and this hole diameter 4 millimeter and the chamfer is 1 millimeter. Let's drop down hole wizard thread. Okay. Now this is circular edge. First you have to choose edge of cylinder. So this is going to create. So I'm going to select internal edge, and here you have to select the plane. See, so or either vertex or planar surface. So I'm going to choose here front plane. The thread going to start from front plane. Now let me select this view. Now you will see the thread going to start from front view and is moving up to outside. Let's say this is not circular, so it's difficult to define the length. If I'm going to say 8 millimeter, this is going to short because this is a circular edge. Let's say 12 millimeter, this is going to outside. At this condition, this is the R thread, and we are going to make metric die because we need to cut here. Now we are going to cut thread. So here you have to choose profile, mirror, horizontal. Now you will see the thread is going to cut the material. Now the most important thing, trim with start face, trim with end face. Now at circular edge we can't define the length, so at this condition these two features works very well in thread options. First, trim with start face. Just click and see the difference. See, these portion disappear and the thread is going to start from this edge. Now trim with end face. See, sometime if we have any other body, so it may disturb our other features. That's why we use trim with start face, end face. See, say okay. And this is the R thread. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.